Hello, welcome to Maths again. Right, today we're going to be thinking about using our numbers to 10 and how we can use our numbers to 10 to help us solve problems in maths. So let's have a quick look at our star words before we begin anything else. So here they are, and these are the words that we were looking at yesterday. So we've got more, which means it's getting bigger, doesn't it? And fewer, which means it's getting smaller. And you're all so good at showing me that you knew what more and fewer meant. Our next word, our star word today, is all together. So that's when we put numbers together or things together and see how many we've got when they're all there together. Now, our star words, we've got lots of number words today because we're thinking about numbers and solving problems, aren't we? So our first star number word is 0, beginning with a Z. Look, there it is, 0. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. So when we're solving our problems today using our numbers 0 to 10 and using our words more, fewer, all together. So let's see how we get on. So first of all, we're going to play a game called Guess the Number. So I'm going to start by thinking of a number. So thinking of a number. And I'm going to give you 3 clues to see if you can guess what the number is that I'm thinking of. So let's have a look at the first clue. Here's the first clue, and it says, my number is less than. So it's less than 4. So my number is less than 4. So what numbers are less than 4? Well done. Let's give it another clue. My number is 1 more than 2. So my number is 1 more than 2, but it's still less than 4. So what number's going to go in there? Let's look at our last clue. It is 2 more than 1. Let's look at our clues. My number is less than 4. So what numbers are less than 4? It's 1 more than 2 and 2 more than 1. So the numbers that are less than 4 are 3 and 2 and 1 and 0. So it must be one of those numbers. So it's 1 more than 2. What number's 1 more than 2? Oh, 3. Is 3 less than 4? Yes, it is. Let's check it with the final clue. It is 2 more than 1. So is 3 2 more than 1? So let's try 1. Count on 2 more. 1, 2, 3. It is. Well done. My number was 3. My number is 3 is less than 4. It's 1 more than 2. And it's 2 more than 1. So you might like to have a couple of goes of guess the number at home with somebody at home. But now we're going to move on and have a think about our learning for today. Right, in our learning today, I've got a pink fish bowl here with lots of fish in it. And I've got a blue fish bowl here with lots of fish in it. So how many do you think are in each bowl? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 in that bowl. How many do you think are in the other bowl? Have a look. How many do you think? Have an estimate first and then count them. 10. Well done. So there are 10 in this bowl and 10 in this bowl. How many do you think there'd be if I put them all together? Oh, wow, that's hard, isn't it? If I put them all together. You have a think while I swim the fishes across. Let me swim them all across into the same bowl. They're going to be very, very squished in that one bowl, aren't they? Let's swim them all across. Have you guessed? Had a good estimate. Remember, an estimate is a sensible guess. We're not going to go from 10 in one and 10 in the other to 100, are we? I wonder what number there is. Oh, look at them all in there. How many do you think there are altogether? 10 and 10 more. That's right, 20. Well done, there are 20 objects altogether. Now I'm going to check them to make sure that there are 10 by putting them into a bucket this time. So I'm going to move them out of their bowl and into a bucket because we think that 10 from this bowl and 10 from this bowl make 20. So let's find out. Let's put 1 in this one. 1 and 1. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. 5 and 5. 6, 6, 7, didn't want to swim, and 7, 8, 8, catch them up, don't we? 9 and 9, 10, 10, 10 in each one. We think made 20. Should we count them to check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. So we started with 10 in the pink bowl and 10 in the blue bowl. So they were the same, weren't they? Then we put them all together into the pink bowl and that made, we guessed, 20. And then we've split them back into their two groups and checked, yes, there was a total of 20. Well done. You might like to have a go at that at home. You could maybe get 10 toys and put those into one bowl, and another 10 toys and put those into another bowl, and do exactly what we did by adding them together and then splitting them up again and seeing how many you've got. Right, let's have a look at this one now. Now I've got a red fish bowl and a blue fish bowl. So I need to find out how many there are, because it says here there are, I don't know how many in the red bowl. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to use my sentence to say there are 6 in the red bowl. Right, how many in the blue bowl? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 in the blue bowl. Oh, now how many are there all together? 6 and 4 all together. How am I going to find out how many all together? That's right, I can count them, can't I? I can count on. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then not start again, but count on 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 all together. Brilliant. There are 6 in the red bowl, there are 4 in the blue bowl, and there are 10 all together. Well done. Right, let's have a think about 10 fish and all the different ways that we can put them into different bowls. So we're going to find out. So I got 10 fish here. Let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10 little fish. Now I'm going to start off by putting one little fish in the red bowl. So if I've got one little fish in the red bowl, how many am I going to have in my blue bowl? 1, 2, 3, 4, because I can't keep them out there. They won't be able to swim, will they? 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 in the red, add 9 in the blue, makes a total of 10 altogether. Brilliant. Right, I'm going to swap it round now. I'm going to get, because he's a bit lonely on his own, I'm going to take this little fishy here to put him in there. Now, I haven't got any more fishes. I've still got 10, but this time I've got 2 in the red bucket. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the blue bucket. So 2 add 8 makes 10 altogether. Brilliant. Right, I'm not going to change how many I've got, but I'm going to take this one over here to join his friend. So now I've got 3 here and 7 here, but I've still got 10, haven't I? Because I haven't put any more fish in or taken any fish away. So 3 add 7 makes 10 altogether. Good. Shall I let one more fish swim over here? There he is. He's over there now with his friends. So now I've got 4 over here in the red bucket, and I've got 6 here in the blue one. So 4 add 6 makes a total of 10. So we can just move them around and it still makes 10. Different numbers added together make 10. So today, for you to have a go at what you're going to be practicing with, I'm going to send you home all of these sea creatures. Now, they're not all fishes. So we've got lots of different things, a starfish and a crab and a turtle. Oh, watch out, and a shark. But how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, good, because we've been thinking about 10, haven't we? And 10 was our star number. How many different buckets have I got? 2. Well done. So you can have a go at printing out and cutting out these sea creatures and seeing if you can find all of the different ways that you can split the 10 sea creatures into 2 different buckets, just like we did over here, finding different ways of splitting. So you might end up with all of them in one bucket. So you might end up with 10 in there and none in that one. Or you might end up with 5 in this one. And how many would you have in this one? 5. Well done. And if you can think of a way of writing down how many you've got each time and finding all the different ways that we can make 10, that would be fantastic. Well done. So I look forward to having a look at how you get on with splitting our sea creatures into 2 different buckets. But before I leave you to have a go, let's have a think about our last thing today. Here are our star words again. Let's have a quick reminder of them. More and fewer and all together. And then we had our numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Oh, here, look, it says problem solving. It says there's a problem here. And I can see now that I don't have 2 buckets anymore. How many have I got now? A red one, a blue one, and a sort of turquoisey green one. 1, 2, 3 buckets. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fishes now. So how can I split my 9 fishes into 3 buckets? Oh, well, let's start with this way. Let's put 1 in the red, 1 in the blue, 1 in the green. 2 in the red, 2 in the blue, 2 in the green. 3 in the red, 3 in the blue, 3 in the green. Oh, none left. Do I still have 9 altogether? How do you know that I still have 9? That's right, I didn't add any more in or take any away, did I? I just split them in between the buckets. So how many are there in each bucket? 1, 2, 3 in the red one, 1, 2, 3 in the blue one, and 1, 2, 3 in the green one. Now I wonder if I could do it in a different way. I wonder if I could get this little fishy to swim all the way over here. So now there are 4 in the green one. And I wonder if I could get this little fishy to swim all the way over here to the blue one. So now I've got 1 in the red, 4 in the blue, and 4 in the green. But is it still 9? Yes, it is, because we haven't changed the amount of fishes, have we? We've just moved them into different places. I wonder if I get this one to swim over here now, and maybe this one to swim over here. How many fishes have I got now? 9. 9 altogether. You're right. And how did you know that? Because I didn't take any away, did I? I didn't make any fewer, and I didn't add any more. There are still 9 altogether. But this time, there's 0 in this bucket. There's 3 in this one. And how many in this one? 6. That's right. Well done. So maybe you'd like to have a go at splitting 9 things 3 ways as well. But I'd love to see how you get on with splitting your 10 sea creatures in between our 2 buckets and finding all the different ways that we can make 10. Because all those different ways that we can make 10 are called our number bonds to 10. So have a little look and see how you get on. And I look forward to seeing some pictures of how you did. Take care.